Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Capturing the correct vehicle options is an easy way to add the correct part, price, and labor operations onto your estimate. An example may include decoding a VIN, and when you select a bumper, for example, it may give you 8 different options for a bumper when the system is unfiltered. When you filter it down, having the correct options, you can identify the correct parts, like the sensors, the fog lights, the ADAS features, and that way, not only are you going to be able to identify the correct part and pricing information, but also the labor values may be different from different vehicle options. Sport packages, non-sport packages, trim levels make a big difference in what the end results are going to be when decoding that VIN. So again, add the correct options when decoding the VIN, and you'll have a much smoother estimating experience. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I want to personally encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below. Don't delay and join today.